a new generation built out of his creation. It's our way of life, we're doing right, that's right. Won't you take a little ride on down to the hunting grounds?
Steven and I just got back to his house. Went and ate some lunch, picked some stuff up. Now we're gonna go hunt. He's getting cleaned up. I'm gonna get my camo on. We're gonna shoot our bows just a little bit and then go sit somewhere. Might be trouble him and I sitting together though. I'm gonna say yes. I don't know how quiet we'll be. We're just sitting and have a good time. So I'm gonna get changed, get my stuff, and get going.
What's that range, do you know? It's 28. Okay. Open up to get that window ready. Oh, you're good. Did she? Oh, the fawn is still standing right there. Yeah. Yeah, she's coming right back there. Yeah. It'd be a whole lot easier for you to draw and shoot if she walks right there. She stays right in that. She's 29. Move where you need to move. Wait till her head goes back down. Alright, you're good. Up on the ground. Come on, Doe. Alright, whenever you're ready. Just look in there. Yeah. That was a nut. She was making us go. I think it was a good hit.
Yeah, it seemed like it went right behind her shoulder.
What a pain in the butt. Imagine self-filming that. Nice.
Looking at her, she's a big
Yeah,
doe.
she is.
She's a monster. And her yearlings are big, so
Yeah.
they're fine. That's crazy.
Oh, jeez.
You're going here. Alright, well, I just shot a real nice doe. She was about 30 yards from us, sitting right over here, and she was just playing cat and mouse with us. She came out, and she was just feeding around, and she turned, was gonna go back in front of us. I opened the window, and then I hit the other window with it. So then she barrels out of the field, and then comes back because one of the other deer didn't leave. She came back, was standing at the open window that I had there. I was fixing to draw, and she starts coming back, so I moved, I stood up, and Steven got situated, and he got on her, and 30 yards, smoked her, and she went off over the hill there. We're sitting in the candy shop plot, sitting in this redneck, and just a real nice night, and ready to go get her. It's only been 8 minutes since I shot, but we'll hang out for a little bit, see if anything else comes out, and we'll go track her.
That thing's blinking. Pass through. Ooh, look at that deer.
Yeah,
I don't know if you can see it on here.
you can see it on that white paint.
Very red. Look at the blood. Is that? No, that's not blood. Let's look at it. Golly. She turned a little bit. Find my hat. Oh yeah, down there. Chris is getting to experience. This is a small hill here, but Chris is going to experience our hill country here for the first time. Good blood to start with. She's hitting the ground hard. She blood here.
Did she keep going that way?
I think she probably turned.
Right here.
Yeah, there's blood right against the tree. Ooh. Spider web. Well, yeah, we're glad we didn't come down to the road. We would have ruined the surprise. Hey, it's always fun to blood trail.
Yes. Look at it, piled up.
Man, she was running. She didn't even know she was dead. She was just dead and running. Look at all the blood there.
That shot.
Big doe. Oh yeah, look at all that froth coming out. That is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
She big.
That's the exit. Heck yeah. Big old doe.
Okay.
Alright guys, well, as you can see here, we got her. She didn't run, but honestly it was all downhill, so it's hard to say just how far she went, but she wasn't probably under 100 yards from where we shot her at up here in the candy shop plot. Just a big Southwest Missouri doe here on the hunting grounds in the candy shop plot. Night one of our team retreat, so we're starting off right, starting good. Steven shot one earlier this week, and then I put this one down with him behind the camera, and we had a fun time. So couldn't be more blessed. Just having a real good time out here with the team, and hopefully we're gonna have some more guys putting some more deer on the ground. So comment down below, guys. Like, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and yeah, stay tuned for a whole lot more action.
You take a little